Yeah, the foundation. Here at the house, we're gonna check if anybody's still inside. Go around see if anybody in there. Oh, shit, you're chilling. What kind of shoe? Wow, that's pretty bad. Hope he's not home.
Yeah, they just rented the upper unit too.
Oh.
So some guy who's always at the hospital, so hopefully he wasn't in there.
Yeah, hopefully. No. Wow, the worst storm we had. Got all those houses too. Look at that one there.
Well, this one's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's all just rebels.
Yeah, that one was almost 3 stories tall.
Anybody still in there? Or?
I had no clue. I saw a bunch of people come out from that one to come over here and look, but...
Yeah, hopefully no one's in here. Check. Spot the which anybody in here or not. Rebels. Hello, anybody?
That looks like the bottom of the basement.
Yeah. Don't see like anybody here. Wow. I have to find out after remove all this debris.
Mm-hmm.
Can't tell anybody in here or not, you know.
Yeah.
We can't much about that shop, but then you know anybody's still inside the house or not. This one's got hit too. Very bad. Got gas leak right here. So the water leaks. Cô lúc前 mà包到等人家我们说接下来我在这边那个一样长的是。所以小姐保当然是，在这边那些商场是，是，被路要拉起的嘞，伢那个去抽那种是，抓的被路这样当的，我，这呢。